Okay, I'm gonna go show you guys something. So it snowed overnight and there's not a lot of sun right now, and my solar panels are covered in snow. So of course they're not gonna get any light, so they're not gonna charge. This is what we have right now. So we're just gonna go out here. See how much it's snowing. Okay, just like that. See, it's not that much difference, but it is, because I'm not using a lot of amps right now for my light. My battery voltage is not going up, and I have more amps coming into my battery bank. This is I just use for reference as well. This one I got to mount so I can just see it from across the room, because sometimes it gets down. I don't like to. I forget what the recommended. I think the recommended is like 21 volts, but I don't let mine get that low because I don't chance it. Inverter's using 75 watts, 24 volt. We're still at 0.6, even though it's snowing. That's usually right around 4 amps. I've seen it as high as 25 amps, but that's just a little bit. So a little bit goes a lot. So imagine if I was in here in a snowstorm or something, if this was the only place that we had, because I could run my stove for some heat, and you know, if the grid power went off, I would have off-grid power. And that's something, the little bit would go a long way in an emergency. You know, my truck ran, I could always take a battery off, put a battery in my truck, charge it up, and then vice versa. But it's just the little things that get you a lot farther. So that's all I wanted to share on this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.